Hey, welcome back. Kitchen. I call it a kitchen redo, but it's a because I couldn't think of renovation. Kitchen renovation. Anyway, um, as you can see, we have got a lot of progress here. The popcorn ceiling up here is gone, and you know, getting it off is pretty easy. You just spray it down. Had a spray bottle, just sprayed it down, and used a paint scraper, and it come right off. Uh, However, there was some dust that was associated with it, um, which was bad. And I think the guy, whoever invented popcorn sealing. In fact, I think the popcorn mixture was actually invented or developed in a lab in Wuhan, because that stuff is wicked. And I don't even know, there's no redeeming qualities about popcorn ceilings. I don't know why they were so popular. I mean, I remember sometimes they even put glitter in the popcorn. But anyway, it's all gone. Now, the wallpaper, you can see back over here in the corner here, I left some of that wallpaper there. I talked to this paint guy, and he says he's got this paint that will cover wallpaper. So what I did is I kind of mudded around the seams and things like that, and I also did that over in this area. You can see it up here at the top. These were like the seams of the wallpaper, and I mudded around those, and same for like down here. Now back here is going to be backsplash, so that should take care of that. We'll paint that and then put backsplash on it, and that should take care of that. And so after I got everything all mudded and got everything all what I thought was got all the holes covered, I did some sanding. Now, this is my sander. It's an old, I've had this for years, and I lost a little thing on the back, but this little thing on the back didn't really do anything because all the air comes out the sides, so it just spits it up. So dust, let me tell you, it was everywhere. It settled all over through the house, in fact, because we don't have any doors in the kitchen. It's just it's an overflow through and all that. So, but there was so much dust, and in fact, this used to be black, solid black. As black as this shirt, but now it's my gray NCIS hat. But there was so much dust, and I know I inhaled so much dust that my poop was actually white. No, I'm kidding. But anyway, we got countertops ordered. These countertops, that we have here, they're just the Formica old countertops, things like that. So we ordered some granite countertops from this place called Affordable Granite, and it was pretty affordable. They were very helpful. Walked through the process. I gave them the measurements. They said that they would, I asked them to cut out the sink, in the granite, and so I sent them the measurements, and they said, "Oh, don't worry, we'll check your measurements before we actually do the cut." And I said, well, that's a good thing, because, anyway, still a lot to do before the countertops get here. We want to get all the painting done, and then after all the painting, we got flooring, and the flooring is like from 1988 is when they actually put in the flooring. So it's been here a while. Probably go with some vinyl tile or something like that. And I think that's I think we're getting there. Takes longer. You know, it's not like Home Depot, or not Home Depot. It's not like HGTV where they say, you know, where you watch a program and they're done in an hour. Of course, they have the whole crew, and it's just like me doing this, so it's going to take longer. When I was younger, it would probably not take as long, but it is what it is right now. So that's where we're at. Thanks for watching the kitchen renovation 2022. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you updated. And Brock out.